Heartbreak to 100,010. Reasons why guys get rich after a breakup. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic. 10 reasons why guys often become wealthy after a heartbreak. We're talking about that post-breakup glow-up, but instead of just hitting the gym, these dudes are hitting the jackpot. You won't believe some of these. Alright, first up, we've got focus. It's the cornerstone of turning adversity into opportunity. Imagine this. You're going through a tough breakup, right? The kind that leaves you feeling lost and disoriented. Your world feels upside down. Every familiar place and routine now feels foreign and empty. For a lot of guys, the best distraction is diving headfirst into something productive. It's a way to regain control and find a new sense of purpose. It's like all that energy they used to spend on their relationship suddenly gets redirected to their work or their passions. They channel their emotions into creativity and productivity. They're pulling all-nighters, hustling harder than ever, and boom, that promotion comes knocking, or that business idea they had starts to take off. The pain becomes a catalyst for success. It's like heartbreak unlocks this hidden level of focus and determination they never knew they had. They push their limits, break barriers, and achieve goals they once thought were impossible. The journey from pain to profit is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. Next up, we've got financial independence. Let's be real, breakups can be expensive. Suddenly, you're on your own, figuring out rent, bills, maybe even splitting shared expenses. This is where the hustle gets real. Guys start seeing money differently. They realize that financial stability equals freedom, and they're not about to let a breakup derail their future. They're picking up extra shifts, learning new skills to boost their income, and making smarter financial decisions. Heartbreak might sting, but that financial independence? That's a sweet revenge. Now, this one's interesting. Risk-taking. Think about it. When you're heartbroken, you feel like you've already hit rock bottom, right? So, what's a little more risk? This is where guys start making bold moves. They might quit that dead-end job to chase a lifelong dream, invest in a crazy business idea, or finally take that leap of faith they've been putting off. It's like heartbreak removes that fear of failure, and sometimes those risks lead to massive rewards. Chapter 4. Level Up. From heartbreak to self-improvement empire. Okay, this one's my favorite, self-improvement. It's amazing how a tough breakup can be the catalyst for a complete life transformation. We've all been there. Post-breakup, you're looking in the mirror like, who am I? What do I want from life? These questions can be daunting, but they also open the door to incredible growth. But instead of wallowing, a lot of guys use this as fuel to become the best versions of themselves. They're hitting the gym, learning new languages, mastering new skills, and pushing their boundaries. They're investing in their personal growth, attending seminars, reading books, and taking online courses. It's a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. This newfound confidence and self-awareness, it radiates from within and changes how they see themselves and how others see them. It doesn't just attract potential partners. It attracts new friendships, opportunities, and a vibrant social life. This transformation leads to success in all areas of life, including their careers and finances. It's about building an empire of self-improvement and reaping the rewards. Chapter 5. Network Effect. Turning heartbreak into business opportunities. Next up, we've got networking. Heartbreak can be a surprisingly social experience. Guys are reaching out to friends, family, even old colleagues for support. They're putting themselves out there, going to events, joining new groups, and expanding their social circles. And guess what? New connections often lead to new opportunities. That chance encounter at a coffee shop could turn into a business partnership, or a friend of a friend might introduce them to their future investor. Chapter 6. Time is money. The post-breakup productivity hack. Now let's talk about time management. When you're not spending every free minute with a significant other, you suddenly have a lot more time on your hands. Some guys might waste it binge watching TV, but others, they see it as an opportunity. They're optimizing their schedules, prioritizing their goals, and becoming masters of productivity. They're waking up earlier, getting more done in less time, and using those extra hours to build their empires. Chapter 7. Fueling the fire. Motivation. After a breakup. Alright, let's be honest. Sometimes a little bit of spite can be a powerful motivator. After a heartbreak, some guys get this burning desire to prove themselves, to show their ex what they're missing. They channel that energy into their work, their businesses, their goals. They're working harder, smarter, and faster than ever before, all fueled by the desire to succeed, not just for themselves, but to show the world what they're capable of. Chapter 8. Fresh start. Seeing money differently after heartbreak. Sometimes a breakup can give you a whole new perspective on life, including your finances. Guys start questioning their priorities, their spending habits, and their long-term goals. They might realize they were living beyond their means to impress someone who didn't appreciate them. This fresh perspective can lead to smarter financial decisions, like saving for the future, investing wisely, and building a secure financial foundation. Chapter 9. Investing in the future. From broken heart to booming portfolio. Speaking of investing, heartbreak can be a wake-up call to start building real wealth. Guys who were once content with spending their paychecks might suddenly become interested in investing, real estate, or starting their own businesses. They're researching investment strategies, attending financial seminars, and putting their money to work for them. Chapter 10. Unbreakable. How heartbreak builds resilience and wealth. Last but not least, we have resilience. Let's face it, heartbreak is tough. It's an emotional roller coaster. But going through that experience, picking yourself up, and coming out stronger on the other side, that builds serious resilience. And that resilience translates into other areas of life, especially business. Guys who have weathered the storm of heartbreak are better equipped to handle setbacks, overcome challenges, and, ultimately, achieve greater financial success. Outro. From heartbreak to millions. Subscribe for more. And there you have it, folks. We've explored the fascinating journey from heartbreak to financial success. 10 compelling reasons why guys often become wealthy after experiencing a heartbreak. It's a transformation that can be both surprising and inspiring. It's like they say, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger, and sometimes even richer, right? The drive to prove oneself can be a powerful motivator. Of course, this isn't true for everyone, and heartbreak is never something to wish for. It's a deeply personal and often painful experience. But it's amazing to see how some people turn their pain into fuel for success. They channel their emotions into their work, their goals, and ultimately, their achievements. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing content. We have plenty more stories and insights to share. See you next time.